Hi. In the past, HR recruiters relied on traditional recruiting methods such as job ads and in-person interviews. However, technology has brought significant changes to the recruitment process, including the use of ATS, social media, and AI. Now, looking to the future, HR recruiters are likely to continue to explore new technologies and tools such as virtual and augmented reality as well as AI and machine learning to improve the recruitment process and make it more efficient. What are the roles and responsibilities of an HR recruiter? An HR recruiter is responsible for sourcing, screening, and hiring candidates for a company. This involves conducting job interviews, job analysis, sourcing candidates through various channels, screening resumes, conducting interviews, negotiating job offers, building relationship with potential candidates, and hiring them. The HR recruiter also ensures accurate and up-to-date record keeping of candidate interactions using HR information systems. The HR recruiter plays a critical role in building a talented and diverse workforce to achieve the company's goals and objectives. What is the growth path of an HR recruiter? The hierarchy or growth path in HR recruitment typically follows a progression from entry-level position to senior-level position with increasing responsibility and scope of authority, such as entry-level recruiter, senior recruiter, recruitment manager, director of talent acquisition, chief of human resource. What are the benefits of being an HR recruiter? An HR recruiter's job can be done from home or remotely, and even though you don't have a bachelor's degree in a related field, if you possess a communicative and negotiation nature, this program is for you. You have benefits like 5-day working, health insurance, PF, meals, and no target-based salaries. Latest trends about HR recruiter. HR recruiters need to stay abreast of these latest trends to ensure that they are effectively attracting and retaining the top talent for their organizations, such as technology-driven recruitment, virtual recruitment, working in the metaverse, and much more. Now, what is the HR recruiter program? What is it about? HR Recruiter program refers to the process of recruiting and hiring qualified candidates for job openings within an organization. The program involves various steps including job analysis, sourcing the candidates, screening their resumes, conducting their interviews, negotiating them with their offers, and onboarding them to the company and the team. Now, HR recruiters play a critical role in ensuring that companies have a talented and diverse workforce to achieve their goals and objectives. And also, the use of technologies such as artificial intelligence and virtual recruitment tools has become really important in the HR recruitment industry nowadays. And being an HR recruiter, you must stay up to date on the latest trends to effectively attract and retain this top talent. Now, what is the importance of being an HR recruiter? The HR recruiter is a critical function within an organization that helps in building a skilled and diverse workforce, creating a positive company culture, and ensuring legal compliance all throughout. Responsibilities such as attracting top talent, filling skill gaps, building the company culture, improving retention, and ensuring legal compliance. What are the modules and what you will learn in this program? So this program consists of 9 modules which you will cover in 4 months. From the very first week, you will get to learn about the recruitment techniques and basics of recruitment industry. By the end of the program, you will be an expert in it. Number 1, Introduction to Recruitment Tools, Recruitment Process Outsourcing, Introduction to the non-IT industry, Introduction to IT and ITES industry, detailed overview of the trending technologies, resume writing, fundamentals of sourcing, industry mapping, introduction to job portals, work experience on job portals, certification. What are the pre-placement activities? Now, we focus on pre-placement activities like mock interviews, resume preparation, corporate communication training, personality development, and many more. All these activities will help you to get placed in your dream company as well as in your growth. You will also learn email and telephonic etiquettes, business ethics, and everything related to grow in the industry of HR recruitment. We have more than 500 collaboration partners waiting to hire. Enroll now.